Right, here we go for part two. Okay, so hopefully you've all seen me make my skull. Well, here we are. So over 1,000 coloured pencils in this little badger. Now I need to make the horns, which I've been dreading. So I've had a couple of ideas and a couple of thoughts on how to do this. One of them was to put another gazillion coloured pencils into a bucket. Put the resin in, so take it out, and then carve the spiral for the horns on either of them. That seems like a lot of work. The other idea was to change it from a ram into like a bull. So the horns would be a lot straighter, slight curve on them, and would make it a lot easier, but it just seems a little bit easier that way. I'm here to like test myself. So I was going around the shop the other day and we found this. So this is piping that the plumbers use for most of the like dishwashers or washing machines and stuff. It's flexible, it bends. So I thought I'm going to use that instead. Come up with these. Trying to get them very similar but not identical, because obviously in nature they don't grow, so we're going to go roughly something like that onto the skull. We'll see how it goes. If it doesn't work, might be going back to the bull, because I can't think of any other ideas of how to do the curvy horn apart from making a big block of resin and coloured pencils. So we'll see what happens. It's going to be interesting either way. Okay, so here we have the horn bit. So just glued some of the coloured pencils into the cone. That's just set in now. Stay in there. And these are the caps that are going to go into the end of the horns, the ones that are going to go to the skull. And then once it's all dry, I'm going to cut into this bit to make a large hole, and that'll slot over the radius on the horn area of the skull, and then we'll glue it all together. Sealed in the ends into the pipe, so that's the cone shape with the pencils inside of it. And now I'm going to do the resin, pour it in, manipulate it around, stick the top on it, let it set. In theory, what can possibly go wrong? Here it goes. Okay, the resin is now in. And what a surprise I have made. I never mess. Look at that. The wife's gonna kill me. Oh well, never mind. Right, so might have air bubbles in it, but we will see. So 24 hours, we will find out what the hell's going on in there. So wish me luck. I'm gonna need it. Okay, so we are taking the pipe off, or casting at the moment. Need to take all this paint off. It's looking rather good. We are finding air bubbles though, which I did find on the other one which I took off. But yeah, all good. Right, managed to get all the plastic for the casting off the horns. It took about 3.5 hours. And yeah, so this is a mess of all the resin that's been left on the table. Oops, my bad. But yeah, I'm happy how it came out. Obviously, I've got to sand it all now. So yeah. Give it all a sand, give it all smooth, blend it all together, and then we'll look at sticking it on. Okay. I didn't record the me taking it off the ducting. I don't think you wanted 3.5 hours of me effing and blinding at the bloody thing. Right, let's get polishing. Okay, so here we are at the moment. I've decided to spray them black. When I was sanding them and grinding them, it looked, I don't know, it was very cloudy. You couldn't really see through them. So I'm painting them black, but I'm leaving the tips where the pencils are coming out. I'm just going to leave them, and then when I put the varnish on, the colour will really pop with them. So yeah, that's just drying at the moment. So yeah.